Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming lawful ownership and practical readiness. Have the purchase receipt, the device serial or IMEI, and the Google account email available. Once done, charge the phone above 50% and connect it to Wi-Fi so steps won't fail mid-process. Make sure you can access any recovery phone number or recovery email tied to the Google account, because account recovery is the primary, legitimate way to remove the lock. Next, focus on official recovery channels. Go to Google Account Recovery and follow prompts using the recovery email or phone, and answer security questions you remember. If the device is still associated with your account and you can sign in elsewhere, use Find My Device to secure or remotely remove access. Once done, make sure to remove the locked phone from your account devices list in Google Settings to avoid activation lock after a reset. Finally, only perform a factory reset after you have removed the Google account or confirmed you can sign back in. Otherwise, the lock will persist. If account recovery fails, contact the manufacturer or your carrier and provide purchase receipts and ID. Authorized service centers can legally remove activation locks after verification. If things go wrong, keep original documentation handy and ask the support agent for escalation steps rather than attempting unofficial bypass tools.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.